Okay guys, after assessing this garbage disposal, we looked at all the possible solutions. I used this Allen wrench to try to free it. I rinsed it out. I looked inside. I pulled off this piece so I could get a better view of inside to see if there's anything clogging the motor, see if anything was clogging the drain or the blade. Nothing seems to be working. It is a very old garbage disposal. Just wanted to see if it could last a little bit longer, but I guess it's at its last leg. So this video is now turning into, I am replacing it with a brand new bad boy new one. And so we'll just take this out. I'll try to put it in. I'll use some of the same parts, the top piece that's already connected to the sink, so I don't have to readjust and re-putty. And hopefully I can get this quick connect piece put on and then just assemble it. So we'll take it out of the box and I'll get it installed pretty quickly. So we'll show you. So I pulled up the new garbage disposal. There are a few things that I have to do. It says on the box there, 3 easy installation steps. 1, I need to remove this power cable from this old garbage disposal and put it here on the bottom of the new one. And then 2, use these same clips that are already installed on the sink and then be able to connect it. And then making sure that the dishwasher piece plug is removed so that the dishwasher hose can actually have a flow port, and then have and make sure that this connector piece is still fitting just as well with the old connector piece. They do have a replacement, of course, here that I can install just in case I needed to replace that one. Should be a pretty easy job. Let's just take a look and get this job started so we can get it finished. Just a side note, know that I am not a professional, and what I'm doing is a dad of 3 kids, husband to a beautiful wife, and I'm doing everything I can to just take care of these jobs around the house. And this is what the quick tips are all about. How can you do a job as a dad, as a husband, to get some of these things that are going to naturally break throughout the house or need to be fixed, need to be replaced? How can you do it? I'm doing it. And this is what it is. So I'm hoping that you guys can benefit from this video. So let's get started in the fun. Anytime messing with electrical, you want to make sure that it is unplugged. And of course it is unplugged. The plug's here. So we can take a look at it. Okay, I'm pulling off the black wire and the white wire, and I'm doing a little quick tip and marking the black wire with a black marker because I want to put it back the same exact way that I pulled it off. Okay, so this piece was the screw piece. This little cap that'll fit inside here, and it just screws in. And I did get a little locking washer that is removed off of this cable connector. So it'll go inside whenever you screw it on top. And we are now done with this beast. She lasted a while, good while. Time to throw it to the curb. And I have the cable here pulled out, ready to be put back in. I have it marked as the black and can easily put it back on the same way that it came out. Okay, now I'm going to install this, the cable clip. And the trick is put this in here, insert it underneath first, and then get it set, and then put this screw right on top, and that's your little trick to be able to get those that washer connected. There you go, that's in place. Now insert the cable. Now you hook the green wire to the green screw here, and make sure you just wrap it the copper around that screw, and that's your ground screw, ground wire. And then tighten it. And I still have this cable highlighted in black, so I'll connect it to the black. I'll use this quick connector to connect those together. And it's a simple screw on. Black's connected, I'll connect the white. So that was half of easy step number 1. Let's put it all back together and get on to step number 2. As a dad, you're an electrician, you're a plumber, you're the picture frame hanging guy. All you guys know what I'm talking about. Voila! She's in. She's good. Woohoo! All right. Now let's pop this dishwasher cap because there is a cap in here. If you did not have a dishwasher connect, then that would be the plug that would keep this port from having the water exit. So now we need to, since I do have the dishwasher, pop that plug, pull it out, and then this guy should be ready to install into the sink. Make sure you get this little plug cap out after you break it through because you don't want that to be the first thing that sticks in your garbage disposal. Then you got to do all this fun over again. So make sure you get that one out. Okay, on the box it says step number 2 is actually insert this into this base and then be able to lock it tight in there. But before that, I want to be able to put this new piece of pipe on there, the connector pipe that goes right here on the garbage disposal itself for the exit pipe. I want to put a new one on there because I want to put this new rubber seal on here just to give it a good seal. The old one's on there, but it's shaped already, and I just want to insert this new one to give it a fresh, clean set. And it doesn't take much. We'll just unscrew this little piece here. My hand's not big enough or strong enough to get that piece, so I'm gonna have to use a wrench. I'm gonna edit that out. You can't do a plumbing job without a big boy. Wrench. Now the only thing you need to save is this connector piece, so it can go back on there. The rubber washer. The rubber seal goes on there first. Then this seal clamp. And the pipe fitting. So I'll keep it like that, loosened. Time to install this bad boy.
Make sure things get done.
And the magical quote for this week is, listen to your wife because she gets things done. Yeah. Can somebody tell me the magic trick to put this on?
I don't know.
Get someone else to do it.
Getting someone else to do it.
That's how I got it on.
That is a funny joke by my wife. She's in. She's in like Flynn. Now you can screw the seal clamp on. After you adjusted the pipes. And then once it's connected to the garbage disposal, then you can tighten all the other pipes. You can tighten this pipe clamp. Use my flathead screwdriver. We can plug it in and try it. Sound of pure beauty. All right. All right, last step. Connect the dishwasher hose. Tighten that. Clamp at the top. And this bad boy job is done. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from the Family of 5 quick tips, the dad way, click subscribe. And remember, be happy, have fun, and enjoy the season of life you're in. Thanks guys, see you next time. And we're out.
Dad's done. Woohoo! Woohoo! He did it! Yay! Was that so bad?